Lanka's cultural heritage is a fascinating mix of different religions and ethnic groups, including Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity. The country is home to numerous ancient temples, ruins, and other cultural landmarks that reflect its diverse heritage. From the ancient city of Anuradhapura to the Temple of the Tooth in Kandy, Sri Lanka's cultural significance is truly awe-inspiring. Sri Lanka is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, from its pristine beaches and turquoise waters to its lush rainforests and mountain ranges. The country is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including elephants, leopards, and hundreds of species of birds. Visitors can enjoy hiking, wildlife safaris, beach activities, and much more, making Sri Lanka an ideal destination for nature lovers. Sri Lanka offers a range of adventure activities for visitors, including surfing, scuba diving, whitewater rafting, and hiking. Visitors can explore ancient ruins, climb towering mountains, or take a scenic train ride through the tea country. Sri Lanka is known for its warm hospitality and friendly people. Visitors can experience the local culture firsthand by staying in traditional homestays, visiting local markets, or participating in cultural events. In conclusion, Sri Lanka is a country of diverse beauty and cultural significance, with something to offer every visitor. Its rich history, stunning natural scenery, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality make it a unique and special destination.